Building passive income while living abroad is an excellent way to achieve financial independence and enjoy a location-independent lifestyle. Whether you're a digital nomad, an expatriate, or simply seeking extra income while living in another country, there are numerous ways to generate passive revenue streams that can support your lifestyle without requiring constant active work. The key to building passive income abroad lies in selecting income-generating activities that require minimal hands-on management while leveraging global opportunities and digital platforms. Here's how you can do it. 1. Investing in dividend stocks and ETFs. One of the most common ways to build passive income is through dividend stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. By investing in companies that pay dividends, you can receive regular payouts without actively managing a business. ETFs that focus on dividend-paying stocks or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can further diversify your portfolio while reducing risk. Online brokerage platforms like Vanguard, Charles Schwab, and Interactive Brokers allow expats to invest from almost anywhere in the world, though some countries have restrictions. Researching tax implications in both your home and host country is crucial to optimizing earnings. 2. Real estate investments. Owning rental properties, either in your home country or in your host country, can be a lucrative source of passive income. With the rise of property management companies and platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, and VRBO, managing rental properties remotely has become easier than ever. If you're living abroad, investing in real estate markets with high rental demand can generate steady income. Some expats also use house hacking, renting out part of their living space to offset living expenses. It's important to research local property laws, tax regulations, and potential risks before investing. 3. Creating and selling digital products. Digital products are a fantastic way to earn passive income while living abroad. These can include ebooks, courses, stock photos, music, templates, printables, and software. Once created, digital products can be sold on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, Udemy, Etsy, or your own website. For example, if you have expertise in a specific field, you can create an online course and earn money each time someone enrolls. Since digital products require upfront work but minimal maintenance, they can provide a consistent income stream. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to earn passive income online. It involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Bloggers, social media influencers, and YouTubers often use affiliate marketing to monetize their content. Websites like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate offer thousands of products to promote. By creating content around a niche, such as travel, finance, or fitness, and incorporating affiliate links into blog posts, videos, or social media, you can earn commissions without actively selling products. 5. Monetizing a blog or YouTube channel. Creating a blog or YouTube channel that generates passive income takes time and effort up front, but it can become a sustainable revenue source. A travel blog, for instance, can attract an audience interested in travel tips, visa guides, and destination recommendations. Once you have traffic, you can monetize through Google AdSense, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. YouTube offers monetization through ad revenue, sponsorships, and channel memberships. If you consistently create high-quality content, these platforms can generate passive income for years. 6. Dropshipping and print on demand. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without handling inventory, making it a great option for expats and digital nomads. With platforms like Shopify, AliExpress, and Oberlo, you can set up an online store and automate the order fulfillment process. Print-on-demand services, such as Printful and Redbubble, let you design and sell custom apparel, accessories, and home decor without worrying about storage or shipping. Since suppliers handle production and shipping, your role is mainly marketing and customer service, which can be done from anywhere. 7. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding investments. Another passive income option is peer-to-peer, P2P, lending and crowdfunding investments. Websites like Prosper, Mintos, and Fundrise allow investors to lend money to individuals or invest in real estate projects for returns. While these investments carry some risk, they can generate high passive income when properly diversified. It's essential to research platform regulations, as some countries may have restrictions on foreign investors. 8. Self-publishing books. If you enjoy writing, self-publishing books can be a lucrative passive income stream. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, Apple Books, and Kobo allow authors to publish ebooks and paperbacks with little upfront cost. Once published, books can generate royalties for years with minimal ongoing effort. Writing travel guides, business books, or even fiction can be a great way to make money while living abroad. 9. Licensing photography, videos, and music. For those with creative skills, licensing photography, stock videos, or music can generate passive income. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow photographers to sell their work repeatedly without additional effort. Similarly, musicians can license their compositions on platforms like Audio Jungle and Epidemic Sound. Travel photographers and videographers can especially benefit from this model while exploring different countries. 10. Building and selling niche websites. Another profitable option is building and selling niche websites. By creating a website focused on a specific topic, growing its traffic, and monetizing it through ads, affiliate marketing, or digital products, you can later sell it for a significant profit. Websites like Flippa and Empire Flippers facilitate buying and selling online businesses. If you have web development and SEO skills, this can be a scalable passive income strategy. Conclusion: building passive income while living abroad is entirely possible with the right strategies. Whether through investments, digital products, real estate, or online businesses, there are numerous ways to generate income that doesn't require active daily work. The key is to choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and long-term goals. With persistence, smart investments, and automation, you can achieve financial freedom while enjoying the benefits of an international lifestyle.